Good evening, friends. Nalinakshi Swami here. Actually, I'm discussing the very important thing, why price action is very, very important rather than the data. Data will tell you something and how traders can get deceived by the data. Actually, I recently purchased the autotrender live data, this one. I just wanted to see, and I went through all the videos of the autotrender, and I was simply impressed by the way they were telling, but it is not so. Actually, you should know only data will not help, and if you know price action only, you can make money with the help of the data. Of course, it is with the help of the data. See, here market started coming down at one point of time. It made a one sideways movement from 9:45 to 10:45. 1 hour it went sideways and it broke down to the level of 16,560 and also made a low. Actually, this seller candle was trapped by this candle. If you see, this candle has trapped this candle. This is the big volume candle. And if you go to the SMC auto trender, this one, open intraday data, till end, it was showing negative. Sell only. The signal was sell. According to the open interest data, it was giving you sell. But what happened? Let me go to the option, this thing. If I would have purchased 16,700 put, by seeing the data, by not giving any importance to the price action, see, this one started from 113 morning and then went up to 194. Around 9, what time? It is 9:45. Later, slowly it started coming down. But if you see the data, open interest data, continuously, it is showing sell, sell, sell. Sell means in that they say put call ratio is below 1, it is a sell. So same thing. Actually, since it was data is telling you sell, but what if you would have bought this put option, you would have lost money. So it came down to from 190, it came down to 107. It came down to 107 and finally closed at the 100. It went up to 159 and closed at 141 or 47 or something. That is a different story. But by seeing this, if you would have purchased blindly and held the put option, you would have been in loss. Why? I noticed something in this Nifty open interest data. Till 11:25, the put call ratio was very less, 1130.09. From then onwards, put call ratio started increasing. 11:55, it increased to 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, 0.16, 0.17. It constantly started increasing in this. Increasing, see, it is constantly increasing put call ratio. It finally touched the level of 0.47 at the time of 3 p.m. 3 p.m. This is the 2:30, 2:45, 3 p.m. It touched this level. But see, there is a trick actually. When you see the open interest data, and also here, when it started moving above 0.24, around 210, VWAP started giving buy signal. That also you should notice. When VWAP gave the buy signal around 16,670. Where is that price? 16,670. 26. Here, VWAP gave the buy signal around 145 or 130. Okay. Let me go to the data. Where did I get the VWAP signal? So 110, you are getting that signal. So here constantly it has started already. This put call ratio started increasing from 0.1 to 0.1 to 1145 itself. It started building reversal in the market. So if you see the price action here, if you see the price action, you can see I've purposely put the bar chart. You can see that this candle closed at the bottom, next three candles making an higher high, closing higher. And then next you are seeing a red candle closing here, but not violating these closes. And again, next candle, it closed in between a dozy form, but the closing you see, constantly it is higher only. Closing is from this area, closing is higher, even though it came down and trapped these levels. This is a trapping candle. After the trapping, first trapping was done here, trapping this candle, and they could not succeed to go past this level, but finally this candle made a higher than this candle, but the change has started over around 11:15 itself. If I come to the data, open interest data, 11:15, correspondingly 11:15, you are seeing the constant, the open interest decreased 0.13, 0.11, 0.09, 0.11, and so it is a sell actually, it is showing sell. But around 11:55, you can see drastical changes in the open interest. Open interest 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, but the real buying came around, momentum came around 617 when price went above the VWAP. VWAP, that is 210. Around 210, 145, 210, the momentum built. And if I change it, the time frame to, so here 2 o'clock, you can see the range breakout and the candle moved. From here, the price moved from 16,605 to 16,684, price increasing to nearly 84 points. Within the 84 points, the Nifty put option decreased from there to 110. See, from 210, I don't know why it is showing time difference. Okay, let me. There is some disparity in that. Log scale, percentage, index to log scale. Okay, let me go to this. Scales, background. Okay, time zone. Time zone has changed actually to some other country. Okay, let me go to Calcutta, our time zone, which is the one actually A, B, C, D, Dubai, yeah, I'll change the. Okay, now time has changed. See, you started losing put option. Probably you could have sold the put option to make money. Make money from you. If you would have sold the put option around 187, you could have made money 87 points, almost 70 points you could have made in this. You could have only within 2, 3 candles, 4 candles, the price appreciated from 110 to 158. So, and the sellers became dominant and the data still it is showing negative only sell. Only because it came below the probably VWAP signal, it might have given sell, but the put call ratio, as they discussed, it is sell only. The data is giving sell. If I go to the home page, the everything is sell they have put. Intraday, they have sell they have put. So you should know not only the data, you should know the price action. That's what I want to say, so that you will not end up in making losses. So while using the data, you should be careful. You should be careful because some reversals will be there in the market. You cannot hold call option or put option. That's how you get deceived by seeing only data. So you should know how the minor changes happens in the data with the price action. That helps you to improve your trade. Hope this will help you people very much. Thank you very much, Nalinakshi Swami, signing off.